Howdy folks, how you going? Rob here with a bit of an unboxing today. I just picked these guys up. These are the Stedi Type X Pro Spotlights. Can't wait to get these on the Ranger. But before we get them on the Ranger, we have to open them up out of the box, don't we? So, let's go ahead and do it. Comes in a very nice black box here, as you can see. Stedi logo down the bottom with that little shield type logo down there. Obviously the name of the light, and probably a bit hard to see, but on the top here, got another little logo up here. Very nice, clean box. Yeah, very impressive. So let's open it up, see what's inside. It just opens up from the top, just like that. There's no tape or anything holding it down, anything like that. Very nice. Let's pop that down there. Oh, it looks like we have some sort of letter. Maybe it's a Christmas list, Christmas card list. Let's have a look. Very nice. Type X Pro. Very cool. User manual. Relay information, how to disconnect the power, the switch location. Looks like the stock standard stuff, but probably worth a perusal. Anyway, we'll move right along. Alright, we've got some sort of topping, I guess you'd call it here. Bit of cardboard here, separating what I can feel as the lights underneath. Bit of a welcome, a few signatures, that kind of thing. Very nice. Little preview of what's underneath. Two little lift up tabs here, to give you a hand. Don't really work for me. Pull them up like this. As you can see, it's just a bit of cardboard, but still very fancy, very nice. You can tell you've spent some decent money, like they haven't just put all research into the lights, they've also invested into the packaging, which is nice. This set cost me $709 from Michael's Electronics in Toowoomba. I'm based in Brisbane. Went for the drive up to Toowoomba because I could find out the only ones who had them in stock today, and I wanted them today. Okay, underneath that little cardboard lift out, you've got two padded sections, which is very cool, with a divider in the middle, which looks like it might be loom and bolts or something like that. Let's have a look. Nice bit of padding. Very thick, very solid. That's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 layers there. Same on this side. And I can see the piece de resistance. Little cutout for the lights as well on the other side. This is very well packaged. This is one of the best items I've bought for the Ranger, or for anything really, for ages. But it's just well packaged. Pop it down there. And that leaves you greeted. I can't tip it up anymore because these are the covers, so I don't want them to slide off obviously. Leaves you with that. Hopefully you can see a little bit in there. Orange rings come with the lights in this kit. You can get different colours. I'll probably go for the red and order that online. Very nice. So, we've got the two covers. Open up like that. Wrapped in a little plastic there so they're protected, which is very nice. Put them down there. Show you scratch them. The rings aren't attached to the light when you get them, so obviously you can screw them in yourself, but no worries. Happy to do that, because you might obviously want a different colour, and you may have ordered a different colour at the time. No stress there. Rightio, excuse me for a second. It's about 4,000 degrees and 5 million% humidity here in Brisbane. Okay, let's open it up. So underneath that, you've got the lights mounted in there. Really, really good packaging here. Like, that's really good protection around the sides. And again, still separated by the two boxes. These are fantastic. Okay, let's get them out. So there's one light there with a bit of the harness attached already. And it looks like they've already put a clip on. That might be the H4, I'm not sure yet. Anyway, there's the front. Very nice indeed. Very, very solid construction. A little bit of weight to them, but nothing you can't handle. That's the back with the heat there, heat shields. You probably can't see it there, but little Stedi logo just in the center there. It's not on the light, it's actually part of the mould of the LEDs, if you know what I mean. So there's no, you're not shooting through the logo. That is very, very pretty. I'll pop it back in there. I'll pop it down. And again, the other side, exactly the same. Nice bit of length on that, which is very cool. And again with the, got one of the connectors already in there. So it's already got the grey ring on it, so you can leave that on if you wanted to and just pop the cover on, but I'll probably put the orange ones on. I mean, you buy these things for this amount of money, you want to let people know you got them. Again, fantastic construction, can't fault it. I'll leave that one in there only because I don't really have anywhere else to put this. Now the brackets. Again, that was surrounded by the packaging. Wow, fantastic quality logo on the side. That is, yep, that's not moving. That is, that looks fantastic as well. I think you'd agree. Very, very solid. Not flimsy at all. Oh my god, yeah, no. That is not flimsy in any way. Fantastic. Alright, the centers. Small box. I can already tell that that's going to be nuts and bolts. Pop them open. 2 sets. Obviously one for each light. Now, I'm not going to install these now because I realised when I bought them, after I left and got home from the Toowoomba, I didn't buy the anti-theft kit. Now, I could put these on and then take them off when I buy the anti-theft kit, but no, I think I'll hold off until I get the anti-theft kit mounts and install them then. No point buying all this stuff and then, some clown comes and steals it off you. And in the far one, with the older box here, we have the loom. So it looks like that. Plastic packaging here, obviously different types of connectors depending on your vehicle. Some zip ties, which is handy. Long ones too, which is cool. Very nice. Looks like you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 or something in there. And the main wiring loom, the main wiring harness, whatever you want to call it. Undo a little tie around it. This is some serious thick core gauge wire here. That is very nice. Nice bit of heat shielding around it. Obviously that's a switch inside the car. I'm going to swap that out and put a light force switch in there. But obviously until I do that, this will work just nicely. Already connected up. Obviously undo this bit and I'll pull it through the grommet and then reconnect it because there's no point trying to pull that through a grommet, you'll be wasting your time. I should be there all day. The other end, fuse, connection to the battery, relay, all set to go with already the clamp on it. That's fantastic. So you just need to put the bolt through, touch it to your chassis there. That's really cool. Don't know how long that is. Pretty long enough. But that's it. Now, obviously you get the 2 Stedi logos, which are fantastic. They look great. My plan for the Ranger here is to put two 11.5-inch bars, one on each side, just underneath the headlights on top of the Summit bull bar there. Just what they call, I guess, roo lights. The reason I haven't bought them yet is because I want to see what sort of width these guys throw. Obviously they go a long way, about 1k in distance, but I want to see how wide they actually are in person. I've seen some stuff on YouTube where there's videos and comparisons and that sort of stuff, but hey, we all know until you turn them on yourself, you don't. The videos are great, but you don't really know. But 2 11.5-inch bar, one on each side for roo lights or side lights, whatever you want to call it. And when they come through, I'll do an unboxing and a bit of an install video on that one as well. So they've come with the 2 Stedi logos for the covers, these guys. And my eventual plan is to have obviously the 2 Type X Pros on the front and then those 2 bars I was talking about. And the bars have their own covers as well with the Stedi logo on it. So I'll put the Stedi logos on the 11.5s, and for the two spotties, I quite like their little face logo. Very cool. So I just picked that up at Michael's Electronics as well in Toowoomba. I'd highly recommend Michael's Electronics. They're not paid, haven't paid for this video or anything anyway. They have every kind of Stedi light there is. Their shelves are full. It was fantastic actually. The guys in there are really nice. So if you're in the Southeast Queensland area, or Toowoomba area, go hit them up. For me it was worth the hour drive, because I've got it all here, didn't have to order it online, no waiting, that kind of thing. Anyway, I digress. So I'll pop that on to one of the lights, that on to one of the others. I don't know which configuration I'm going to go with yet, we'll see. And that's it. So the next step will be order these anti-theft nuts and screws, get them, and then I'll mount it and do a bit of an install video and that kind of thing on the Ranger. Alright, thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed. That's what you get in the box. I've made a complete mess of it. So far I can't fault this product at all. The packaging is fantastic, the quality and the light, you can just feel it. I mean, you can just tell they're going to be amazing. Thumbs up, these guys, Stedi, go get them.